Here we go. So you go over here, and it's weird how the screen is kind of cut off right now, but right here, I'm going to click over here to say all tools, okay? And right there it says pixels, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and click on pixel. Now I already have my pixel created, but when you don't, it's going to just have a button right here that's going to say create pixel. You have one pixel for your entire account, okay?
Where is this?
I clicked on this right here. I'm just on Facebook ads, facebook.com/ads/manage, okay?
And then under
Yeah.
assets, you just.
And then I click on this thing up here, and then I go to all tools, and then I just go to pixels, okay? I click on pixel, and I go here. If you don't have a pixel, it's going to say create a pixel, okay? Right now, if I want to view the pixel, I already have it. I can just go here to actions, view pixel, right? And then I have my code right here, right? I click once, I copy it, and if I know how to use my website, I can put it on my website myself. If I don't know how to do this, what I can do instead is I can email, I think right from here you can email it.
Next, and then bottom next.
Email instructions right there, see that? Email instructions, right? And then I would send these instructions to the person who knows how to do that on my website and can just do that, okay?
Just briefly on the WordPress site, is that a widget that you add for the?
I have no idea how to use WordPress, yeah. So, but yeah, where do you put it?
Depends on the theme. A lot of the themes will actually have a little place for extra script.
Yeah.
Sometimes it will say for Facebook ads, for
Okay.
pixels or Google Analytics.
You want the pixel to be site-wide, and from there, you could retarget people with the pixel, and you could track conversions with the pixel. Now, here's how you're going to track your conversions, okay? At the top here, it goes right there, custom conversions. You're going to.
How did you get to the pixels up? Can you figure that out?
I'm hitting this little button up here.
Yeah, so, but did I go to Ads Manager first or before
Manager.
that?
Yeah, you start on Ads Manager or whatever, and then you just hit on all tools at the very bottom of it.
No?
Okay? So now I'm on what's called custom conversions, and I go here to create a new conversion. Again, I only have one pixel, and I go here. Include traffic that meets the following conditions. So on URL contains, I go URL equals, and I type the URL of my thank you page. The page that people will land on after they download my ebook, or after they apply for my program, or after they purchase a ticket to a workshop, okay? The thank you page. So remember when I showed you my funnel with the application funnel? The homework page is the URL I would put inside here, right? And then when I run my ad, you saw how we just had my pixel, it was just there on all my ads. It'll automatically track it for me. I just go into when I want to look at my results, I can just go and view conversions, and it'll just show me all the conversions that I got from that ad, right? Even if someone applies for my program, then goes to my website and buys all my courses, it'll show me every action that was taken from the click being from that ad. Then I can see which ads made which conversions. Okay, so this is really important because I find a lot of people I explain this to automatically forget it. Okay, so you need to first just create your pixel. If you haven't, you just hit a button, you just go there, hit pixel. Who's seen it already, right? It's a big green button that says create pixel. You just hit that and then boom, you've got a pixel, it gives you the code. You put it on your website or you email it to the web person who could do that. That first part is done. Once you've done that once, you're done, you're good. You got your pixel going, right? You should do that today because you can start retargeting people as well in the future, right? Then you go to custom conversions and you set the thank you page as the conversion goal for all the various potential actions that people could take from your campaigns, right? So every offer would have a unique thank you page.
So you put those all into one.
You just know you do one at a time, right? So I would put the thank you page, choose category, and I could, this is for my own reference, right? Purchase or a lead or whatever, right? Then I hit next and then I just name it, hit save, right? So here's like some of my pixels that I have already set right here, right? They opted in for my video, that's one action. So I have multiple actions through my funnel, right? The first step is they opt in to get my video. The second step is that they apply for the program. So I want to see how many people actually, I got their email address, and how many people I actually had apply for the program, right? So I can just set that up because I have 2 different URLs for each of those pages. Does that make sense? All right, cool.
Sorry, just a question.
Yeah.
You already said this and I missed it, but
Yeah.
when you say the pixel, does it have to be just for your website? If you only have a landing page, could you do it for the landing page?
Yeah, the pixel goes across, your website. You can put the pixel on multiple websites. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, if you have multiple websites, you can use the pixel on all your websites. It's okay. Yeah. But then just to track the conversions, you just create what's called a custom conversion. You just have to enter in the thank you page for the offer.
Do you have separate thank you pages?
Yeah, I have separate thank you pages. Yeah, separate thank you pages for every offer. Yeah. But if you have, if you want people to go onto your website and all you want to know is that they bought something, then you just put the one thank you page that's the one thank you page everybody lands on. But you don't get as much data from that, right? Otherwise, you'd want to, if you want to know which offer specifically they took from which ads, then you need to have a thank you page for everyone.